I can apply the knowledge that I have seen. Of course, science and discoveries, machines, and other manipulative devices. Exciting naman kasi nahawakan lahat ng laro. Except dun sa isang room, exciting din doon. Tapos yung iba, sana merong kahit hindi na nag-explain. Ginagawa lang ng umaga. Pinagpinan, ginagawa niya. Nahawakan lang nila to the point na hindi na nila binabasa yung instruction.
It firmly believes that science and technology is a key driver in propelling the country towards economic development and progress. Educating and stimulating interest in S&T among Filipinos, especially the students who develop a science culture, resulting to a productive citizenry. The foundation established its flagship program, the Philippine Science Centrum, as the first hands-on science museum center in the country on February 1st, 1990 at the 5th Level Manila Film Center, Pasay City. The Science Centrum has provided a concrete model of the interactive learning system that it espouses. It is a comprehensive educational program composed of various interactive science exhibit modules and write-ups, teacher activities, lessons, and projects. The PSC's vision, a nation of science, culture, and productive citizenry, and their mission is to promote science and technology consciousness among the youth, general public, and various sectors in the society through the Philippine Science Centrum. And their objectives are to promote S&T appreciation and consciousness, to develop and fabricate interactive exhibits, to implement education and outreach programs and trainings, to conduct studies in the field of S&T promotion, to address key issues in the S&T affecting our country. The Philippine Science Centrum has the following exhibit rooms, namely Earth Science, Light Gallery, Body Works, Vision Perception, Electricity and Magnetism, Mathematics Gallery, Children's Gallery, Mechanics Gallery, and Meralco Corner. In Earth Science Gallery, you can enjoy the forest scenery, point the laser to an animal and hear the animal's sounds, get a glimpse of how a whirlpool is formed, how an Aeolian landscape is shaped, and know your weight if you're in Mars or Jupiter or Saturn. In Light Gallery, if you touch the plasma sphere, you'll see colorful streaks drawn to your fingertips. Strike a pose and capture your shadow on the frozen shadow exhibit. In Bodyworks Gallery, bike and pedal side by side with a skeleton in Watch Me Pedal, race on a 10-meter dash with Elma Muros Posadas in Come Race With Me. In Vision and Perception Gallery, mirror, mirror on the wall, what's the magic of them all? Have eye-puzzling images astound you? Defy gravity by floating in mid-air and crawl like Spider-Man on a wall. Some more, make extra arms and feet appear from nowhere. These are just some of the magic in anti-gravity mirror. In Electricity and Magnetism Gallery, please jump up then fall. You can make them do this by simply rubbing an acrylic surface. Find out one way of generating electricity through the pedal generator. In Mathematics Gallery, how good are you with numbers and puzzle? Try the abacus, rope puzzle, and tangrams exhibits. In Children's Gallery, an interactive children's playground dedicated to science learning and enjoyment for kids 3 to 12 years old. Pillows of various sizes and shapes provide an exciting and fun-filled activity at the Pillow Talk Corner. In Mechanics Gallery, work too hard? Not anymore. Simple machines make work easier. Find out how pulleys help you lift loads. Also feel a heavy force opposing your action within using the bicycle wheel gyro. And last, the Meralco Corner. At the Meralco Corner,